My people, I greet you all. I am exhilarated today. So exhilarated because today is a special day. A special day in Umunakwa Kingdom. A special day because my son, the prince, shall be selected the most beautiful maiden in Umunakwa Kingdom as his wife. Now, my son, the ball is now in your court. Let us see how you score it.
All right, I need you all to pay attention right now. What did I say?
Pay attention.
What did I say?
Pay attention.
What did I say?
Pay attention.
They can't even pronounce pay attention properly. That's number one. Well, when I speak, whatever I say, you say after me. You follow my lead. What did I say?
Follow your lead.
What did I say?
Follow your lead.
What did I say?
Follow your lead.
What did I say?
Follow your lead.
They can't even pronounce follow my lead properly. That's number two. Huh? All right. Turn around. Well, I think that will be all for now. That will be all for now. You see, among you all, I will have to choose who's going to be my wife. Yes. Have you ever been to a march past?
Yes, sir.
You've ever been there before?
Yes.
And you know how to do left, right, left, right, left, right? Right?
Yes.
You know how to do that?
Yes.
Okay. At ease. Attention. At ease. Attention. At ease. Get my open the gate. Left turn. Left right. Left right. Let's go. Left right. 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 Left. Left right. 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 Left, right. Close the gates, fools. Mom, I'm highly disappointed.
Why?
I'm disappointed in you all. How do you all expect me, preaching Canaan, to align with all these retarded girls with low class, that stands with low class? Come on. Come on. You can do better. You can do better, Mom. You can do better, Dad. Do you know the kind of people who are lying with? The likes of Beyonce, Nicki Minaj, Cardi B, Megan Thee Stallion, in United States, Beverly Hills, California. And then these ones? Oh no, come on. Come on, Mom, come on. Mom, I'm surprised. Pamper me, Mom.
Go! The priest said I should not let you in. Go! Go to your ma's house. Go and cook. Go and cook! Go and cook!
Don't worry, come on.
The priest said I should not open the gate for you. Go!
You are very
Losers! Losers! Go! Losers!
slap you.
Come on, the flight you cannot do.
I thought he said this is the second segment. So why are they locking us outside? So wait, after touching you people's bum, that was how they locked everybody outside. So I used to go and buy these fine dresses. The only money I have, I used to go and buy these fine dresses.
Please, you miss package.
Did he touch your breast?
Hey! This is my expensive budget.
You touch your own money.
What was the meaning of that?
Meaning of what?
Don't even pretend like you don't know what I am talking about. How could you discharge those girls like that?
Mom, the word discharge simply means they are not welcome. Yes.
Your father is angry.
Tell him I'm sorry.
Is that all you have to say? Do you realize that some of the maidens there were daughters of the cabinet members of this palace, and you treated them like they were nothing?
Mom, if what I saw with my 2 eyes are what you call pretty daughters of the cabinet members, then you wait till I go back to United States and get you a real model. Wrong way, by the way, and then you will be proud of your son.
Ikenna, I am so disappointed in you. I am disappointed that you don't realize whom you are. You are the prince of Umunankwo Kingdom. Whoever you choose to settle down with as a life partner must be a daughter of the soil of Umunankwo community. The earlier you start putting that in your brain, the better for you. I want you to go now and apologize to your father.
Mom, please, Ikenna Idika has no apology to anyone.
I beg your pardon?
Mom, tell that I sent my apology, you know. Pamper me, Mom.
After the apologies to your father.
JJ Kingdom, peaceful and nice, loving kingdom. But our prince need pampering. This our prince need pampering. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah.
I'm fine, Mama! No. Mama! You're welcome. How are you? Hey! On them. I was just telling Mama how we were disgraced out of the palace today. Hello, man.
Mama, I don't understand though. You did not welcome me well. I hope everything is okay.
Everything is not alright.
Organism.
Don't give me that look as if you don't know what I'm talking about.
Mama, if I knew what you were talking about, I wouldn't be asking.
I told you to come back on time. That's today. Prince Ikenna will be choosing his future queen. This is the time you're coming back, okay?
Mama, that should
Mama,
that should tell you that I'm not interested.
Oh, you are not interested, eh? Do I even blame you? I don't blame you. Why would you be interested? Do you know what it means to be part of Idika's royal family?
Is it not one I desire? Mama, I do not want.
Mama, one name, Tekube, is the luckiest girl in Omonankwa village today. Yeah. My sister should have seen how we were disgraced out of that house. They embarrassed all of us.
Itela, I knew it. I knew it. That prince is so arrogant. I mean, he's so full of himself. I don't like him for anything.
My sister, the highlight was when Mazi Kogu's daughter, Ifeyiwa, fell and broke her leg.
Chima,
my sister, she had serious dislocation. Was on pain. Even on that, she was still trying to impress the idiot.
Was she chosen?
Chosen. The question should have been, was any of us chosen? That we were chased away. Yes.
Mama, oh, this was what you wanted me to experience. Am I more beautiful than all of them? Huh?
I hope you got something for me.
Don't worry yourself. Since my mother doesn't want to welcome me properly, let's go inside so that I can afford. Are you serious? Hey, this mask. Are you serious?
Next time we'll have to go very early. Very early.
The queue was too much.
Yes, I'm going to know what the million. Everywhere spoiled.
It's well.
Now I want to go and cook soup. Would you want me to bring for you?
It is in. I just come out. You have to bring for me now.
How did you can't do?
Don't worry, I have enough garri. There hasn't been able garri maybe.
I will bring for you.
Okay. Remember to put enough as mangala no poroko. If you don't cook with that mangala,
fully, well, you know how expensive it is now.
Yeah, I got him out of Quanamunko. You will take what mangala no poroko, Mandikwa. Pico qua. But I'm so bad, draw. Never put it against
Get everything that I want, but someone live for the love. Pump on me, mama, pump on me, pump on me, pump on me, mama, pump on me.
I'll give it.
Huh? Bring that water, please.
For what? What is it? Greetings, my prince.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine.
Are you from this community?
Yes, I am.
Good. So where are you heading tonight now?
I'm going home. Just coming from the stream.
All right, very well then. Take it.
What is it? No, you cannot take my water. The stream is very far. Please.
Now listen to me. Nobody, and I repeat, nobody ever refuses the Prince of Umonankwo. Let him take it.
Take it to where?
Let me take you to your house.
Come into my ride. I want to give you a royal ride. Let me give you a lift. Come on.
No, my prince. I'm fine. Don't worry. I'm okay. My house is very close to this place.
Now I take it that you're respectfully disrespecting me. Come inside.
Let me take you to your house.
Do you know my compound?
You want the queen's daughter?
Prince American, all this is by love, local, a kingdom. peaceful and nice. Lovely kingdom. Kingdom, peaceful and nice. Lovely kingdom. Prince Emegama. Ajana manjaza Prince Emegama. Ajana manjaza Masafaga Naga Fisia Maka Ochiaka Kamasiasa.
Yeah, Mom, how you doing?
I'm fine. You are welcome to my husband at home.
Oh, thanks, and I appreciate that. Yes, she told me she's your daughter.
Yes, my prince. Chugu, where is the water you went to fetch?
The water is coming.
Yeah, I'm afraid I told my guards to bring it over. Yeah. So you ain't got no problem about that. Yeah. Prince, I got you. I got you. It's okay. Thank you very much.
Mama, the water is here.
Oh, here he goes.
Greetings. You are welcome.
Thank you. Let me help you, sir.
Hey, wait. Thank you so much, my friends.
My prince, it's okay.
Thank you very much.
Once again, thank you so much, my friend.
It's okay.
My prince.
Yeah.
Please, what can I offer you?
Speaking about what to offer me, can you really offer a man of my status something? I mean, where do I start from? Okay, let's go with Ace of Spades.
Huh?
Well, I take it that you don't know what I mean. So, how about alternatively Dom Perignon? Okay, let's say Christopher. Oh, see. Okay, I just mentioned 3 top-notch champagne in the world. You can't even offer me any of this. I get it. Now let me ask you, what do you have to offer me?
My prince, I can offer you water.
Alright, very well then. Give me water.
My prince.
Yes. Yeah, go ahead. Come on.
I do not want you to take me to your parents yet. I want us to get to know each other better before you do that.
It's okay if that's what you want. It's okay. 100. And then how long do you want that?
Let's say 6 months or more.
Okay. There you go, you have it. See you later, okay? Love you. You're welcome.
Bye.
Yeah. Yeah, honey. One more thing. Pamper me. Pamper me.
Our prince is in love. I can't believe this. He's in love. Our prince, he's in love. Yeah. A kingdom peaceful and nice. Lovely kingdom. Joy kingdom peaceful and nice. Lovely kingdom. Remember you can't have it forever. The truth must prevail. Remember you can't hide it forever. The truth must prevail. I'm trying to understand this your feelings to me. Not the question. Don't blame me. I'm trying hard to understand this your lover. Not the question. Not the question to me. Cause I'm scared. Cause I'm scared. Obina mapumo. Remember you can't have it forever. You should bear this in mind. The truth must prevail. Forget the luxurious life. Remember you can't hide it forever. Simple say the truth. The truth must prevail. What are we not saying? What are we not talking about? If we're so poor, we chase so water. If fella get no give us. What the full as you chase so water. If fella get no give us. What are we not talking? What are we not saying? Remember you can't have it forever. The truth must prevail. Remember you can't have it forever. The truth must prevail.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I want to buy hairs for my girl. So, what type of hair do you have here?
We have bone straight hair, coiling hair, and bouncing hairs.
Well, then, whatever that means, I don't know. She has to make a choice. Now, sweetheart, which one do you like?
I want bone straight. Bone straight and coily hair.
Okay. Bone straight. My friend, please. Do I have to make choice for her or she has?
Let her make a choice and maybe bone straight, 2 coily hairs, 3, and then of course what's the other one again?
Bouncing hair.
Bouncing hair, 4, just multiple. Let her just make a choice. Take whatever she wants.
Okay, my friend.
Yeah.
How much would that be?
And how much would that be?
Okay, my prince. 2,700,000.
Eh? 2 guinea?
2,700,000.
Hey, that's too much. Eh? My prince is too much.
Anything for you.
Jesus.
Anything is nothing.
What kind of air pollution is this? You don't smoke in the public like this.
How dare?
How dare you two?
Now who the fuck are you?
Who the fuck are you two?
Please, ma'am. I'm sorry. He's a prince. You don't have to talk to him.
And so what?
Now listen to me and listen real good. She either leaves or I leave.
You don't foot my bill, so I can't leave here because of you. I'm not going anywhere.
I'm sorry. You have the license to smoke. Just smoke. I'm sorry.
Please. Will you shut up? Is it because your madam is not around?
Listen, my prince. You have to calm down.
Now listen.
Yeah.
Listen to me and listen real good. You already know the status I am from. Originally, I'm rich from birth and you know me. You know the kind of people I align with. Come on, you were here when this idiot was insulting me. A guy that stands with low class.
I wouldn't take that to talk from you. I wouldn't tolerate that, you talking to me like that.
Yeah. It's okay. I have no words for you.
My prince, please, I'm sorry.
Shut up. Now listen. She either leaves or I leave.
I am not going anywhere.
Please, you have to leave. You have to leave. Do you want me to miss this money? If my madam is here, won't you go? Just leave me alone.
I will go, not because it's how I should go. I will go because I'm allergic to smoke. I wonder how you cope with your woman. Excuse me.
Thank you.
Bitch.
Well, my prince,
And now you!
You shouldn't have. That lady did not do anything to you now. This thing you're smoking is not right. You're in public.
Listen. Nobody dare question whatever I do. Get that? Do you understand me?
Huh. That lady didn't do anything. Can I? This floor. Where is the bone thread? Which one is bone thread?
Mama bumper me. Our prince is in love. I can't believe this. He's in love. Our prince, he's in love. Yeah.
But my prince, with due respect, that was so inhuman. You shouldn't have done a thing like that.
Would you shut your trap or I shut it for you? No, listen to yourself talk. Huh? Oh, so I should have folded my hands and watch that idiot speak to me in that manner. Somebody that's not even up to my maid. People that are under my payroll in the United States. That's because you don't know how I grind. If you know how I grind, you won't talk to me in this manner. Idiot. It ain't your fault. It ain't your fault at all. It ain't your fault.
I don't want to. You take all the things you want from me. I don't want to. Don't take me to my mother's house. I don't want to.
I don't want to hear you say anywhere. Do you understand me?
It's my mother's house. It's my mother's house.
Can you afford to leave me? No, can you afford?
It's my mother's house.
Of course I know.
I want to walk. I want to come down. I want to come down now. I'll jump down from this car now.
Oh, sweetie, I'm sorry for the way I spoke to you, okay? I'm sorry. I know I was harsh on you. But, you know, it was that food that cost everything. Alright? You know how much I love you. Come on.
Is that why you shouted at me like that?
But I'm sorry. Okay, look at me. I'll make it up to you. You know me. I'll pamper you. Now pamper me, honey.
I'll pamper you too.
Good, that's it.
Bumper me, mama bumper me. Our prince is in love. I can't believe this. he's in love. Our prince, he's in love. Yeah. A kingdom peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. JJ kingdom peaceful and nice.
Hey, none, oh mama, none, mama. He bought the whole world for me today. Clothes, yes. Thank you so much.
No, it's not.
Let me show you, Mama.
It's not.
Mama, he bought me hairs, he bought me clothes. Hey, my prince, thank you so much. Please, come and make yourself.
No, Mama. I'm afraid I have an important meeting to attend to right now. Some other time.
Hey.
But in the meantime,
Even when he was doing all these things for me, he kept saying, Papa. Oh my God. It is the one, Papa. He's telling me to Papa. Oh my God.
Thank you so much.
Mama, I have this for your cake.
Chinekeme,
That's the way I roll.
now.
No, it's okay.
My prince, all this for me.
That's the way I roll.
Hey.
Alright. So I'm afraid I have to go now.
Thank you.
Pamper me, baby. Pamper me, baby. Mama, pamper me.
Mama pamper me. Our prince is in love. I can't believe this. He's in love. Our prince is in love. Yeah. A kingdom peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. JJ kingdom peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. But our prince need pampering. This our prince need pampering.
Yeah, too much. I was telling him that it's enough. He said no, and he wants me to be looking good. Okay, Mama, this one is the most expensive. They call it bone straight hair. This one. There are two. Hey! After you came right on time. The prince took me out for shopping and bought all these hairs for me. Chimo. Eh? Chalo. Even clothes too. My clothes are inside.
You bought all this for
all these for me. All these hairs.
But wait.
What kind of love is this? He said he wants me to be looking at all times.
Choma, why would he buy all these hairs for you?
But I was telling him that he's okay. He refused.
Very thoughtful of him.
Yes, so he even got this too for me. They said it is bone straight hair.
Bone straight? The raining bone straight?
Don't know. The prince said
the raining bone straight.
And he got me too.
Hey! Mama, this is land money.
Don't worry, choose one. Anyone you like, just choose. I know you like curly hairs. Come and check from the curly one.
Oh my God! I love you.
I love you too.
Take it out, bone straight. Yeah, where go?
Hey.
I don't even know which one to start from.
One that you like. Just take.
Okay.
You like that one?
Yeah.
You can take it in Ghana.
You want more. I love you, my sister. I love you. I must maybe get bit with the mama.
You like that one?
Yeah.
I take it. You can have it.
Looking nice, killing cow. Mama, it's just to show you won't collect one hair.
Collect what?
So you'll be showing off at women's meeting.
Don't worry, Mama. If you don't want to collect, I'll be wearing all of them.
I can't wait to rock this one and pepper them if you want.
Oh,
hey, I got a date in the village. Let's paint it red.
Nah, you have not even heard everything. He also bought clothes for me.
What do you mean? Clothes?
Yes, beautiful clothes.
And them. That means we are about to paint this village red.
Oh, I'll probably. I'll show you.
But you don't want to collect one.
I don't want heavy. Hey, yes, are so fine.
Greetings, my king.
Greetings, my queen.
May the gods of our land bless you, my daughter.
Say,
How are you, my daughter?
I'm fine, my queen.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
But Mom, Dad, well, this is the girl I told you guys about. Yes, my fiance. She goes by the name Chikube Ezenduk. Yeah.
No.
You mean she's the daughter of late Ezendukwe from our community?
Yes, my king. Ezendukwe. Ezendukwe.
That is great. Please sit down. Sit down.
Thank you, my king.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Thank you, my queen.
How is your mother?
She's fine.
I see.
Mom, family.
You have a
Very neat.
You like what you're saying?
Very neat.
Our prince is in love. I can't believe this. He's in love. Our prince is in love. Yeah.
Ikeda, what of the young lady you brought home the other time and introduced to us that you are interested in marrying?
Yeah, she came here the other day, but met your absence though. So, yeah.
So, what are we waiting for? The girl is good. Her background is okay. So, tell me, do we have any reason to delay?
Your mother is right. I mean, we have to hasten up.
Well, we're on the courtship.
Courtship?
Yes.
Why courtship? What else do you want to know about her?
So many things.
Huh?
So many things, Mom. So many things.
It's all right. But how long will this courtship take?
Maybe 6 months or thereabouts.
You're not serious, are you?
Who's it?
Excuse me?
Why do you need that longer time to do courtship? What else do you want to know about her?
Yeah, we need to study ourselves better.
When you brought this girl home, I thought you've made up your mind to settle down. So why this? Why courtship? Why all this getting to know her? And I don't get it.
I say, Mom, Dad, can you guys allow me to study this girl in question? I mean, she has to go through scrutiny.
Kids. Next time you use that word guys on us again, then I will tell you that I lived in the US long before you were born.
Mom, pamper me. Pamper me, Mom.
Idiot.
My king, please, I need to have a word with him.
Can go if you like.
Excuse me.
I don't know what's wrong with this boy. Getting so tired.
all this?
You're my all. If anything happens to you today, I am doomed. Don't you get it?
Now I want you to know that you and Dad are going to die for me. Hope you know that.
That has always been our prayers. To see you happy and bury us. Can you please marry this girl and bring her home?
Mom, I told you 6 months. 6 months. Nothing but I'm not going to repeat myself again, as a matter of fact. I told you this before. Please, please, don't.
Why do you always want me to regret? Why?
That's because you want to regret. That's because you chose to regret, Mom. All the time. Same thing, same question. What answer do you want from me? What answer? I said 6 months. Is 6 months too much?
You don't understand.
Maybe you have to make me understand. You really have to make me understand because I don't understand. You are not the mom I used to know. I swear to God. Because I've been searching for my mom and I couldn't find her. Because this is definitely not the mom that I know.
I'm still your mother.
No, you're not.
I still love you.
But we cannot lie together.
We're still doing it.
No.
I am still your mother.
Mm-hmm.
I want you to be settled. I want to carry my children. I want you to see you happy. Don't you want to be settled? Don't you want to have someone who will call your name and say the word I love you? That has been my prayers for you.
Chekwube, how are you?
I'm very fine, my queen.
I was just coming back from your house.
Oh, my queen, I hope all is well.
Your mother will tell you why I visited.
Oh, it's fine, my queen. No problem.
You look good all the time.
Thank you, my queen.
Always be a good girl. Hmm?
Thank you, my queen.
Sure.
I better to take my leave. Choma is waiting for me.
It's alright.
My queen. Okay.
Great, Choma.
Okay.
Nice girl. Driver, let's go.
Hey, babe. Yeah, come on, have a smoke though. Listen. Come on.
Come on, baby. This is good.
No, I don't want.
Listen, Jay-Z gives this to Beyonce and Beyonce accepts. What's the problem?
I'm not Jay-Z. Not Beyonce. I don't want.
You see why you can't grow? You see why you can't grow? This is good for the health.
I don't like it. I've told you several times.
It makes you fresh. Look at me. Hey.
Let her be now. Let her be.
You shut it.
Don't you dare touch me.
Didn't you hear that the prince is calling you?
And so?
You must answer him now.
Ow! Hey.
What's her name? I said, what's her name?
Ifeanyiwa.
Are you from this community?
Yes.
Who is your father?
Ikogo.
And then you have the effrontery to walk past the prince of Umunakwa without greeting me. Huh? Didn't you see me?
I saw you.
So, are we mates?
I didn't greet you because I am not happy with you.
Who made you hungry?
You.
Me, Prince Ikenna of Umunanko Kingdom, made you. I mean, of what business and connection do I have with a low-class girl like you? Now come here. If you dare walk out of me like that, I will ask my guards to strangle you right here and right now, and nothing will happen. Daughter of a bitch. Next time you walk past me without greeting me, you know what the penalty is. Now get out of my sight. Get out!
It's not good.
Hey, listen to me. Next time you intrude in whatever it is that I'm doing, you know what I'm going to do.
I want to go home.
You shut your trap.
I want to go home.
That's why you can't grow. You can't grow.
I want to go. No, I want to go home.
You even have the effrontery, the guts to disrespect me right here in my palace. How dare you?
You sent for me. What for?
Are you stupid? How dare you speak to me in that manner?
What are you doing? Why are you flogging her?
The prince ordered me to do so, ma'am.
What did she do?
She insulted the prince.
You what? You insulted my son.
No.
The prince of Umunankwa Kingdom. Are you abnormal? Discipline her very well.
Yeah.
Honey, you know I don't do all this.
My darling wife. Even if you don't take alcohol, but do it because of me.
No, it's not good for me. I'm pregnant. I am pregnant.
But remember, sometimes pregnant women take little to make make my boy agile.
Your boy? No, it's not a he, it's a she.
You know, royalty is royalty all the time. You see, that's why I can't wait for my unborn son.
No, it's not a he. It's a she.
Don't. You have to respect your crown prince.
But I am the one carrying the child, and what I ask God to do for me, definitely He would do it for me.
No, hold on.
I want a she.
Oh, come on. My son is just telling me right now, he said, Daddy, don't drink too much.
No. Your daughter is saying that, Daddy, please don't give mommy alcohol.
Okay.
She's still carrying me.
Okay.
This
is a year. Let's bet.
Bet what?
Let's bet.
What?
Give me your fingers.
What's the essence?
Give me your fingers first.
Bet? What am I betting for?
Now, if it's a she, I'll get a 2021 Mercedes formatic Benz. And then if it's a he, what are you going to do?
That has to be a surprise.
No, don't tell me that.
What do you mean?
Remember, you're talking to your husband.
No. Point of correction. My fiance.
Oh. Okay. Listen, sweetie. I would like you to tell me what you're going to do for unborn.
I'm not going to do that. You're obviously going to cut my neck because I won't.
Free is always a crowd. It's just you and
I won't do that. If I do it, it will no longer be a surprise.
Oh, yes,
so let's just let it slide.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Here we are. Paulina. This house and the car belongs to you and your daughter henceforth.
Hey! Hey!
My queen.
Thank you so much, my queen.
My prince. May the gods of our land bless the Idigas family forever and ever.
Don't always forget to pamper me.
Hey, always.
Pamper me always and you will shine better. And
my prince, thank you so much.
It's okay, Mom. You also pamper me. Yes. Always pamper me so you can shine more.
Yeah. Shall we please inside?
Okay, my queen.
After you.
Yeah. Mom. Let's see.
May the gods of our land bless you all.
My king, we have come to thank you for all that you've been doing for us and to appreciate your kindness towards Undukwe and his family. You and your family have been very nice to us. We thank you very much. We brought this as a token from the bottom of our heart to say thank you once again. No.
God,
my king,
take it to the backyard. Mazi Matthias. The royal household is indeed very grateful for this wonderful gift. May the gods of our land bless you all. You are most welcome. Please, let's go inside.
I'm fine. Just sit down.
Gachikube, are you fine?
I'm fine.
Your face doesn't say so.
Chioma, I am perfect. Nothing is wrong with me.
Are you sure?
Oh God. What is wrong with you? I'm fine.
Okay.
Auntie!
Where is your mom? Is she at home?
I don't even know where she went to. She's gone out.
Is there food in the house?
Yes. Your house help has prepared something for you to eat.
Chokube, if it's a joke, stop it. I'm very hungry now.
I am not kidding either. What is wrong with you? Is this not also your house? Go inside the kitchen and make something for yourself if you're hungry.
Right now, I don't worry, I will return the favor when you come to my house.
No problem. Just go.
Very late again.
Remember, you can't hide it forever. The truth must prevail. I'm trying to understand this your feelings to me. Don't blame me. I'm trying hard.
I have never complained about this your smoking habit since I met you. But right now I am no longer comfortable because of my condition. I don't like it.
If you're not comfortable with my smoking cigarette, you might as well use the restroom, or better still, the guest house.
Again, are you okay?
Did you just call me?
Is your name not Ikena? I said, are you okay?
Look at this daughter of a bitch! How dare you! Please shut the fuck up!
What have you done?
My daughter. Come on, I'm sorry. Come.
What is going on?
What did you do? Bitch. Let me see! Look at this daughter of a bitch! It ain't your fault! It ain't your fault! You know the kind of people I lie with in California? Because my parents told me to come down and get married and do all this Igbanko and shit. Now I I'm not caught out with all this. Every time Igbanko, look at what I'm going through. I'd rather be with my Maru in the United States. I'd rather be with my Maru. Shit happens. It ain't your fault. If I'm aligned with the models I have in the United States, I probably will be living my life.
My dear, please don't tell me. You have to calm down. I'm even tired.
The truth must prevail. I'm trying to understand this your feelings to me. Don't blame me. I'm trying hard to understand this your lover. More genuine to me. Cause I'm scared. Cause I'm scared.
I'm so sorry. Sorry for what happened.
Lolo, this is too much. How can a sensible human being raise his hand on a pregnant woman?
Very unfair. It is not done. My dear, don't worry. You'll be staying with me.
I want to make sure that you are taken good care of.
My queen, with due respect, I'm sorry. I cannot return to that palace. Never. Can't.
Lolo, please. Can I beg you for something? Biko, allow her to stay with me till after delivery, so I can monitor her.
A kingdom peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. JJ kingdom peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. But our prince need pampering. This our prince need pampering.
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you?
There's nothing wrong with me, Mom.
You don't give me that shit. You don't give me that. Don't give me that attitude because you know what I'm talking about.
You just love me, Mom.
I'll do it over and over if you dare lay your hands on a pregnant woman. Nobody does that. Do you get?
Pamper me.
Not now. Not when you golfed.
Pamper me.
Enough.
A kingdom peaceful and nice.
No, don't do that. That's the way we go to check.
Mama, please allow me. You see, I'm wrong on this one.
No. The future king of Umunako village to kneel in my house is a taboo. Because
Mama, my sin deserves my knees on the ground.
not in my house. Not in my house. Because. No, Mama, I have said it before and I'm going to say it right now in his presence. I am not returning to that palace until after delivery. I've had enough. My daughter, please. Just forgive him. Forgive him. Mama, I said I've had enough now. I need peace. Especially now, I need it. I don't want someone to kill me. Do not touch me. Do not. And I mean every word of it.
So, I know I hurt you. I'll make it up to you, okay? Okay, what do you want?
Leave me alone. That's what I want. Mama, what came over you?
My prince, what came over you?
Mama, it was the work of the devil. The work of the devil, Mama. You know how devil works in his mysterious ways. Huh? Come on. Okay, Mama, you see. Please help me on this one. Okay, I swear by the gods of our land, such will never repeat itself again, please.
It's alright. I will talk to her.
It's alright. I will talk to her.
Oh, please. And please tell her to pamper me. She has to pamper me.
I'm trying to understand this your feelings to me. Not the what you knew. Don't blame me. I'm trying hard to understand this your love. Not the what you it's you it's you truth must prevail. Remember, you can't hide it forever. The truth must prevail. I'm trying to understand this your feelings to me. Modi kwa genuine, don't blame me. I'm trying hard to understand this your love.
Gods of our ancestors, I present to you today my grandson, Ikenna Jr. Idika. He has been ordained. As he steps into this world, we are quite confident that he will achieve his destiny as bestowed by you. Bless him. Guide him. And protect him as we receive him to this world. May the gods be praised.
You usually don't come here unless you're asked to. Is there any problem?
There's no problem, my prince.
It's over a year now, and then you keep telling me, give me time, give me time, give me time. You're not saying anything.
My prince, all I asked for is just a little more time. A little time.
A little time. Are you seeing another man?
What sort of question is that, my prince? Of course not. If I'm seeing another man, you will know. I'm not.
So what's the problem?
There is no problem. I just need to sort myself out.
Where's my son?
He's at home.
Pamper me.
Chekube, how do you intend to handle this?
I don't understand. How do you mean?
Is your mother aware of this?
Of course she knows. With my character, she knows. Even the man in question, the prince, he knows I'm not interested in him.
Honest to God, Chekube, this is going to be very, very hard.
How do you mean hard? It's not going to be hard. When his son grows, he will come and pick him up. That's all.
Chekube, don't you think?
There is nothing to think. Honestly, Choma, I don't want your advice on this. I don't want any advice from anybody. Not at all.
You don't want any advice from me?
Yeah, I don't want.
What are we not saying? What are we not talking about? If we're so full, we chase so water. If we're like them, no
Long live Igwe Idika I of Umunangwa Kingdom.
Matthias, Igwe, are you aware that your brother's daughter says she's no longer interested in marrying my son?
Yes, Igwe, I'm aware. As I'm speaking with you right now, we are still battling with the issue. She hasn't yielded yet.
No. No one should persuade her. Let her be. when it comes to issue of marriage, no one should be persuaded. It's a matter of personal choice. So let her be. But Igwe, I have spoken. You may leave. Ikena, are you aware that your fiancé has declined your proposal to marry her?
Yeah, of course I'm aware. So
you are aware? Can you see what your nasty behavior has caused? Can you?
I don't.
Just shut up! One more word from you again, and I will be left with no option but to banish you from this kingdom.
Dad, banish me from the kingdom. Take whatever decision you want to take. But just know that once I leave here, I will never return to this God-forsaken country, this shit-old country. You feel me? After all, what am I even gaining here? What's all this?
I beg your pardon? You opened your mouth and called your father's land a shithole.
Now get out of my sight. Get out!
Mom, pamper me.
Get out.
Pamper me.
Get out!
Idiot! Can you see? I knew it. I knew that this marriage would not work. The moment I heard the word courtship, I knew it would not work. That girl is very intelligent. She only missed it when she decided to get pregnant for him. Don't be surprised that she was the one who suggested the courtship thing. Because she wanted to study him very well so that she can know the kind of person he is.
Pay attention. What did I say?
Leave my baby!
Let me have my car keys.
Give me my baby!
Let me have my car keys. Listen, don't even speak.
Let me have my baby!
Don't speak. Listen, if you don't have, listen, just go get my car keys right now.
Have you lost your mind?
Now, listen.
Let me have my baby!
What did I tell you?
Oh, you want your car keys? I'll get it for you!
I want you to level down this building for me. Now listen to me, you bulldozer me. Listen, pay attention. What did I say? Pay attention. Because I paid your ass real good. You have to level this building. Look at this bridge. I built this house for us. So, as instructed. Now, what did I say? I said, pay attention. Don't level down this. Level down the building. You feel me? Level down the building.
My baby. My prince, please.
Don't even say. Don't even say shit. Don't say shit. Don't say shit. Mother of a bitch. Now, Prince, who's a prince though? Do you have a prince? Listen. You're gonna level down this building.
Hey! Igwe! Thank God.
What is it?
Igwe, your son brought Caterpillar to put down Chekube's house.
What?
Yes. My son?
Hey!
Chioma,
open that gate!
It's happening now, Lolo. Enter the car. Enter!
Going. Enter, let's go.
Stripping you! Every benefit you get from me! Every fucking benefit! I'm stripping you off right now!
Are you gonna do this? Bring down the beauty! No, you won't do that! You will not do that! I thank you! What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? You help me! Help me! My drink, I want to come on, leave this place. I said, leave this place! I said, just shut up! Run away from you! And I will remember that face on you now! Come on, Pampa. Get down from here! It's yours! Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hey. Chama. I am a floating tata. I'm here. I am a floating tata.
And you?
Hey.
Take this thing out of here! Please!
Mama, you can imagine the kind of thing you were pushing me to marry. You were pushing me to marry that useless fool because of money and royalty. Did you see him? He almost killed my son with his madness. Have you seen it? Have you? Hey!
Chekube, this one is worse than the beast.
I'm telling you. Right. Gods of our land, please continue to protect and guide us over our enemies.
So if I hadn't gone to call the Igwe, that's how that evil genius would have succeeded in pulling down this house.
Yes.
Hey!
If not for God that inspired you to call the king, I wonder what we would have been talking about.
That idiot, no one can live in the same house with him. He's a devil. Nando, don't know. Sorry.
Greetings. Yes, you are welcome, Royal Guard of Umunanko community. Thank you, sir. The king said I should give you this.
Tell the king that you appreciate it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. I bet you take my leave.
Hey, you caused it, Mama. You did. Nando.
I am tired of this village. Honestly, I'm thinking of leaving this village, go to the city and look for something tangible to do. My sister Oga Aderosi, it's time we go and look for what to do with our lives. Ha! In the next 2 months, you will not see me in this village again. Because I am tired. Honestly.
Are you in Chekube's mind? This is the same thing she has been saying. In no long time, you will no longer see her in this village again.
Yes. She's planning to leave as soon as possible. You see what I am telling you? You see? I am really tired. Hey.
Hi. Choma where?
Roland.
Yeah. Choma Mwikog, right?
Yes.
Wow,
Yes.
you still look the same. You changed it at all.
Hey, Roland, you still remember us? Yeah. You're not looking bad though. You're looking so fine. Wait, I'll give you what Alina.
If you go near a god. So how you do now? Mokasin no. Okay, I'm going home, eh?
Hey!
Yeah.
You just came back.
Yeah, I just came back.
Roland, I hope you came back with enough goodies.
Yeah.
Not just coming back.
Yeah, of course.
Hey.
No.
The truth must prevail. I'm trying to understand this your feelings to me. Not the what you knew. Don't blame me. I'm trying hard to understand this your lover. Not the what you knew. Not the what you knew to me. Cause I'm scared. Cause I'm scared.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Brother, it's back. Wow, nice to see you.
Oh my God.
Welcome, brother.
Go inside under my bed. If I met that, go and get the chair. Go and do it. The celebration must happen here.
Long live your majesty. Long live the queen of Munangwo community.
My son Roland, you are welcome to your father's land.
Thank you, my king.
So, how was your stay abroad?
Oh, it was so smooth and so successful.
Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you, my king. My brother. You look good. Always. Came back with enough guara for you.
Kingdom, peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. JJ kingdom, peaceful and nice, loving kingdom. But what are we not saying? What are we not talking about? If we're so close,
Hey, how are you? Come on.
truth must prevail. I'm trying to understand this your feelings to me. Modi kwa don't blame me. I'm trying hard to understand this your love. Modi kwa genuine to me. Cause I'm scared. Cause I'm scared.
Chakube, please, I'm so sorry. I don't even know what came over me. I'm sorry, baby, I'm sorry. Oh? Che.
Do not touch me. Don't touch me.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Please, I'm kneeling down begging you. I'm sorry. From my heart. Oh? No. Oh? I'm sorry. I don't even know what came over me. Please. Chair.
Hear you out for what?
Sorry, please.
Hearing you out will not change anything. Please leave me alone.
It might change something. Oh, Chair.
Now listen to me, Roland. The next time you stop me on the way to talk to me, I swear I'm going to break your head with something. Do you understand me? Nonsense.
Listen to me. Chair, stop this now. Chair.
Cause I'm scared. Remember, you can't hide it forever. You should bear this in mind. The truth must prevail. Forget the luxurious life. Remember, you can't hide it forever. Simple, say the truth. The truth must prevail.
My dear, see, no one knew when I left, and I didn't call anyone, okay? When I was leaving Lagos, that was when your text message came in. Thinking that, I wasn't thinking towards direction, you know. I was thinking that when I get to Australia, I was gonna get back to you, okay? I mean, it's very unfortunate that when I got to Gabon, I was apprehended and convicted for like 6 months. We were inside the jail.
Are you serious?
Yes. There I met a German man, Mr. James, who helped me and took me to Germany, where God blessed me. I'm so sorry, okay? I'm so sorry. Please stop.
Honestly, I didn't know you went through all this. It's fine. I'm sorry too.
Babe, you see, it wasn't my fault. You know, unfortunately I misplaced every number on my phone, including my brother's number. So I decided not to call anyone till I return.
I'm sorry about everything you went through. Honestly, I felt you purposely ran away thinking I was going to come after you.
No, I never had that in mind. Never. At all. Oh, babe, come on. But see, please, find a place in your heart to forgive me, please.
No, it's
I'm so sorry.
I feel for you, honestly. I didn't know you went through all this. I have forgiven you. Everything is okay.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
I want to officially make you my wife.
What? Yes. Oh, no, please. No. No.
Please,
no.
Please.
No.
Please, I don't want you to say anything like no.
Why not? No, don't even go there. I have forgiven you for all you did.
I know.
No, but I can't. No, please.
Babe, tell me you love me.
No, you have to give me time. You honestly have to give me time. No way.
Chekube, tell me it's not true, right? It's not true. Did you try telling him?
No, but I sent him a text before he left Nigeria and he later confirmed it.
Did you tell him?
No, I haven't. You are the very first person I'm disclosing this to.
On no account, no matter what it is, will you open your mouth and tell anyone about this? Okay?
And what if he asks?
Fine, you can lie to him. Just cook up something, you know. Chekube, our lives are in danger, especially yours. You have to save yourself and ours too. Okay? Okay?
I'll definitely try.
No, listen to me. You have to keep your mouth shut for now. Okay?
Okay.
My God.
Okay. It's fine. I'll try.
Do you like it?
I absolutely love it. It's beautiful.
Wow.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You said you wanted to tell me something?
Oh yes. About the text message you sent to me when I was about leaving for Lagos. Half about it. What's up?
You should bear this in mind. The truth must prevail. Forget the luxurious life. Remember you can't hide it forever. Simple, say the truth. The truth must prevail. What are we not saying? What are we not talking about? If we're so poor, the chase so water. If fella get no give us. What the full as you chase so water. If fella get no give us. What are we not talking? What are we not saying?
You are not saying anything.
I lost it.
You lost it? How?
Please, I don't want to go so emotional right now. Please, can we not talk about the past? Please, please.
Babe, come on. It's okay, I'm sorry about that, okay?
Not that easy. It's not that easy.
It's okay, come on.
I hope nothing bad happened.
No, Papa, no. Something good.
Something good?
Yes.
Well, if it is something good, let me hear it.
The child in the palace, born by Chekube, Ndukwe's daughter, is my child.
What did I just hear you say?
Papa had an affair with a girl before I traveled.
You will like it. I promise you like it. But take it the way it is. I'm not ready for it.
You like it.
No.
going to pain you.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Sorry, I'm sorry, okay? Stop crying. You're shouting, people will hear you. What's that for?
This issue is not as easy as you think it is.
Our prince is in love. I can't believe this. He's in love. Our prince is in love. Prince American, this is why love. Look at a kingdom peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. JJ kingdom peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. Prince American, Ajana manjaza, kamwasiasa. Prince American, Ajana manjaza, kamwasiasa. Naga fisia, maka lochiaka, kamwasiasa.
I'm going to go. You go here from one. I don't know why I can't even buy it. I'm buying. Matthias. Oh no. I called this meeting because of what my son told me. I called your daughter also, and she confessed to me that you and your wife know about it. Even Jokubu Kamale twice will go wine. Keja Jitaben wine, I'm more rapping Jibin Keran, say.
Since no one wants to talk, I think I have the right to talk now. The only solution is to go to the palace and take my son. What? Wrap your hair. Wrap that thing. Just leave that thing you're doing. It will not solve this matter. Please.
What kind of temptation is this, Bikun? Yeah?
Well. Oh no. This is like a boil in a man's scrotum. If he squeezes it, it's a problem. And he leaves it, it's also a problem. So what do we do?
Papa Chioma, there is no case in this. The child is mine and there's no two ways about it.
In this case, you do not seem to understand what we're talking about. That child in question is the eye of the king. For 2 good years now, the prince has gotten married and the wife has not conceived, they look up to that child as theirs.
That will never happen. It will never ever happen. My son will never be the eye of the king. Never. Papa, Mama, Uncle Matthias, do not be afraid. I said, do not be afraid. The royal family must release my son. Period.
Hi. Roland, don't just talk like a small boy and see this fight as a child's play.
What fight are we talking about, and who is fighting who here?
My son, Biko Jironwayo. The fight your father is talking about is a fight that can affect all of us. Roland, you see that new building we are living in was bought by the king and the family. Even the car. And other good things they'll be doing. I don't know how to explain that you will understand.
No. How much is it? No, ego now are we talking about? Tell me, I will double it. Because of nonsense house and nonsense car that will make me to leave my son. My offspring. You want me to let him go just like that? Are they possible? Papa, enough of this insult. I will not take it anymore. Papa, please tell me, how and when are we going to the palace to get my son? Else, I'll do that myself.
No, we make him to understand the big Roland.
Mama, don't Roland.
Roland.
Sorry.
No.
What a fool go ebo. I see you go boku yiru echi.
Oh no, we go nka karikwala ma acho hom enu ya. Acho hom enu ogu a. Anu hom ya. Anu hom oga biko. Try to talk to him. Biko.
No, please do. You better stop. Wait, you better stop it.
You don't walk out on me. Do not take me back to where I came from. Do you understand me?
I know I'm keeping quiet.
You're not bullshit.
I know I'm keeping quiet.
Roland,
this person.
Let him do his worst. Do your worst, let me see. California. You get yourself back to California.
Dad,
let him do his worst.
Dad, you know. Mom.
Oh no.
Pamper me.
Please take him.
Pamper me, Mom. Pamper me.
I'm two people I got on one color. Who is the father of your son? I will ask you one more time. And if you continue to keep me quiet, I will serve your head to the gods. Who is the father of your son?
It's Roland. Oh no, son.
I will kill you, and there's nothing anyone can do about it if you ever utter such words again.
Son, drop that gun. This is not a dance for kids like you.
Why then did you impose the pregnancy on my son, knowing full well that he was not responsible? God!
My king, my king.
Take this thing to the guard room and lock her up until she's ready to speak.
I swear by the gods of this land, I will kill anyone whoever comes closer to my son.
Over my dead body will that happen? You're a man. She's a good digger.
Mom, pamper me. Pamper me, Mom.
Not when we're talking about your son. You've grown. Get a life. You're a man. Get busy with something reasonable. Come, bro.
Pamper me. Mom, I'm losing it. Pamper me. Even if I'm mature.
I give them 24 hours. In 24 hours, if I do not see my son, I will tell him that he's nothing in this village. Papa, if after 24 hours and my son is not being released, I'm going to burn down that palace.
Please, Roland, just calm down.
Uncle, please do not tell me to calm down. Please don't say that. Aga gada no Buddha. Is waga gada no Buddha.
Roland, I am the owner of this kingdom. I will sort it out.
Oh no, the gas came and took away my daughter. The next information I got is that she has been arrested and thrown into the guard room in the palace.
Never! I am going to the palace to bring back my woman.
Roland, come back. Roland.
The mistake has been made. Look for correction. No need for war. Don't look for one to be blamed. Just be faithful. Onya dindu waloli lanya. Makifama dia kukwa nenoa inuga. The mistake has been made. Look for correction. No need for war. Don't look for one to be blamed. Just be faithful. Onya dindu waloli lanya. Makifama dia kukwa nenoa inuga.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
What do you want?
I learned that you have my wife here. With all due respect, I want you to release her for me now.
Roland, what is your God?
Young man, don't push me. Don't push me to pass judgment on your head. If you don't leave here this minute, I'll be left with no option but to do just that. Oh, you cannot stop!
You pushed me? Huh?
I never got it. Oh.
Do you know how I grind in California? I didn't go to California for nothing. I'm an ex-con, Be The Lush, Jay-Z, P. Diddy, Dr. Dre, Chris Breezy, 44 revolver, I can't go shit. Now let's see how you grind with me. No, I'm not the one you're cooking 44 revolver on.
Roland. I will not warn you again. Now leave.
Your Majesty, I shall mean no disrespect. But you see, as a custodian of the law, there is no law under the constitution of this great country that permits you as a traditional ruler to detain anybody in your house. If there's anybody of such, he or she should immediately be handed over to the police, rather than keeping them under your custody. I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
The mistake has been made. Look for correction. No need for war. Don't look for one to be blamed. Just be faithful. Onya dindu waloli lanya. Makifa magia kukwa nenuwa inuga. The mistake has been made. Look for correction. No need for war. Don't look for one to be blamed. Just be faithful. Onya dindu waloli lanya. Makifa magia kukwa nenuwa inuga.
Oh no. Igwe. Were you aware that your son came to this palace yesterday with policemen?
I don't have any idea of what you've just said.
Oh no. Are you saying you don't have any idea of what he did?
Oh yes, I don't have any idea.
In any case, I didn't invite you here because of the police issue. I invited you to ask you some questions. Now, did you find time to have a proper discussion with your son with regards to the issue at hand?
Oh yes, I did.
Good. So, what did he say?
Well, he said that the child is deceased.
I beg your pardon?
It's all right. So, what do you have to say about it?
Nothing. I don't have anything to say.
Nothing.
I beg your pardon?
Nothing. It's all right. I'm done with you.
Igwe.
The mistake has been made. Look for correction. No need for war. Don't look for one to be blamed. Just be faithful. Onya dindu waloli lanya. Makifa magia kukwa nenuwa inuga. The mistake has been made. just be faithful. On your dinner, well, only lanya. Makifama, yeah, Kubawa, Nenoa, Inuga. I have everything that I need. I get everything that I want. But someone live for the love.
The Almighty Ikenna. Now you be this. Huh? Can you still push me? Can you still run your mouth like a woman? Can you? My friend, listen, let me tell you. Ngwagi femme patego na Germany. Eh? Imana na madu chineke na kere kedendo madu 1 million ama menwe. Do you know why I'm telling you this? I want you to release my son before the end of today. Else, Umunanko community will never leave to tell the story of what will happen.
You often know I'm naturally rich. If not for anything, you already know what my status is like. I did not soil my hands to make money. But I will soil my hands in making your life miserable if you ever dare cross my path.
You have guts. I can see you really have guts. But the question is this. Can you be able to finish what you started?
Listen. Very well then. Let's play the ball. And then we'll see who scores goals.
I will leave you for now. Till the meeting going on in Palace finishes. Then in Gosigi Yokujinti Okeme.
We'll see about that.
Hey, come on, take this nonsense out of my way. Silly bugger.
Pamper me.
Mama pamper me. Pamper me, pamper me, pamper me. Pamper me, mama pamper me. Our prince is in love. I can't believe this. He's in love.
What did I not tell you? What did I not tell you? I wondered that what you are about to say, my cousin was like. But you went ahead and told me. Just imagine. Now tell me, how do we get out of this mess? Don't dare. Chakube, don't dare walk out on me again. Because if you try it, you will have me to contend with. Mama, what is wrong with you? Okay, let me ask you one question. If you were in my shoes, would you have kept quiet? Yes. If I had not told you that your father gave birth to you, would you have known? Chakube Chukwu, at a point in life, a woman ought to be a woman. Every woman on this earth has a secret. What is wrong with you? Well, I am not every woman. I would not keep quiet and allow another man father another man's child. It's not done. Then why did you lie to the prince that he was the child? That was because I found out I was pregnant in the middle of our courtship. That was it. What made you believe Roland was the one that got you pregnant? Because I never had anything to do with the prince intimately. When I found out I was pregnant. Chikube, you disappointed. No, Mama, no, don't even go there. You disappointed yourself. Because I told you from the onset that I do not want to have anything whatsoever to do with the prince. The prince is despicable, he's arrogant, he's nothing to write home about. I told you this, but alas, you wouldn't listen to me. You wanted the best of life, you wanted everything good. You went for him, you
manage yourself. Mama, leave me alone, please.
Baba, you're welcome. How did it go?
It didn't go well at all. It didn't go well. The king refused to listen to me. He threatened to sanction me if I talk further.
Papa, if I start, no one should blame me. If I start, no one should stop me. The king is getting me angry.
My son, forget about the king. Look for your child. You have my full support.
But Papa, I was thinking there's a way you and the king could resolve this.
That was the purpose of my going there. But when I got there, I tried to explain everything to him. He refused to listen to me. He threatened to pass judgment on us if I talk further. Can you imagine that?
That means he doesn't want this to be resolved amicably.
That was the purpose I went there for. See, go and get your son. You have my full support.
Am I not talking to somebody? Am I not talking to you? Huh? I've told you. Under no account must you allow my son out of this house. Now should anything, but any misfortune will happen to my son, I won't be held responsible for what will happen to you or anybody close to you. Because that's my precision. Protect that boy at all costs. What did I say? Protect my son at all costs.
Is this what you are supposed to do? Haven't just returned him back to your house? I'm asking you.
I will say this again. Protect my...
Please cut me that bullshit! What is wrong with you? Do I look like your maid? If you need anyone to run after that boy like you said, I suggest you get a maid because I am not one. Nonsense and people.
I have everything that I need. I get everything that I want.
Chokube, I warned you specifically never to let this out to anyone, and you promised you were never going to do that. Now look what it cost.
I tried so hard, but my conscience wouldn't just let me.
Oh, I see. Your conscience, you said. You can see where your so-called conscience has landed us.
Listen, okay, I'm sorry, but I'm not regretting it. I'm not.
You are not regretting it. Chokube, you said you are not regretting it. You're not regretting it when you don't even know where you are standing right now. Your supposed right price is being put on hold, and you are here telling me that you're not regretting it, Chokube.
I'm glad I told the truth. And even if it means that I should remain like this, then it's fine.
Oh, I see you, Mrs. Fruit Stella. You can see what it costs. Because currently the whole community is burning, and I hope it makes you happy.
I don't care. I don't. I have told the truth, and I'm ready to tell more. Yes.
Chokube, you get that, go. I can see you don't want to help yourself. I can't keep advising someone that doesn't take advice. You know, yeah? As it is right now, I am going to let you carry your cross all by yourself. You know, yeah? And I'm leaving. Never to come back again.
Choma, you are not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere because you caused them. Okay, what's your point now? What is your point? I'm asking you. That I should go and tell the king that Roland is not the father of my child while he is? What are you even saying? You seem to have forgotten so soon that you and mother caused all this. Everything that is happening to me right now, you caused it. And now you're telling me you don't want to advise me anymore. I should go ahead and do whatever I so please. Then it's fine. Go! If that makes you happy, you can. You can go if you so please. That makes you happy.
Look for connection. No need for love. Don't look for one to be blamed.
Wait. This is an urgent meeting. This is an urgent meeting of this kingdom.
I'm sorry. You can't enter.
Really? What? Stop! Oh, thank God the prince is here.
The prince is here. How can you restrict the prime minister from entering the palace? Greetings, my prince.
Prince, no.
So, what's going on?
I told him he's no longer allowed into the palace, but he has been forcing himself in since.
Now what don't you understand? That you are no longer the Onowu of this community.
It's not possible. I am still the Onowu, and you know what I mean. What it... Prince.
Hey! Prince Obukwalo, the prime minister of this kingdom, Obukwalo came out.
Who?
Obukwalo.
Now listen to me, listen to me. I don't ever want to see this man, or Onowu, or whatever he's called, anywhere close to this palace. Otherwise, you know what the penalty is.
Yes, my prince.
Fools. Open the gate. Open it.
Chakube!
Hey! Why? What's after you?
Onowu has been dethroned.
Hey!
He was slapped twice by the prince and was thrown out of the palace. Chekube, you must leave this village now.
Why?
Stop asking questions. Just go in there and pack your things and leave.
Uncle, I'm going nowhere. I'm not going anywhere. Did you hear her? Did you hear this girl?
I am totally disappointed at Jideofo and his son for conspiring against my family. I therefore, Ikobu, what is it?
Your Majesty, please. Please, I want to suggest something I feel that can bring peace to this community again.
What is it?
Can we go for a DNA test?
DNA test?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Ikobu, I am not in contest with anybody. Jideofo and his son conspired with that girl against my family. Only the gods know how much he was paid for that conspiracy.
But Your Majesty, even at that, I think it's still necessary for us to find out the truth.
I have spoken.
Onowu personally told me that there is war.
Hey!
Pack your things.
I am not going anywhere. Hey! Chimo! Hey! Chimo! Go and pack your things! Go and pack your things! Hey! Help!
This is not the time for that now. Let her go and pack her things.
Chimo, pack your things! What's all this? Go and buy a sizable coffin to use to bury me if you refuse to marry the prince. not suffered enough? Hey, Chakube, since your father died, I have been the one taking care of you. I made sure you finished primary school and secondary school. Now that God wants to bless us, you want to turn it down? Honestly, Mama, you will never cease to amaze me. Mama, what is wrong with you? Okay, let me ask you one question. What am I really getting married to? Royalty? Money? Or happiness? Of what use is for me getting into a marriage that would not last? Of what use, Mama? Because Mama, you mustn't kneel for me, but I'm telling you the truth, Mama. What I'm trying to let you know is that this is a lifetime journey. It's marriage. Chakube Chuku, I have suffered a lot. I have done everything to make you happy. My daughter, please, it's time for you to make me happy, Biko. Marry the prince. Biko. I certainly will not. I will not marry the prince. Marriage is not by force now, Mama. I won't. Then get ready to be an orphan. Because it will be over my dead body that you will not marry the prince. Mama, are you threatening me? I am not threatening you. It's not threatening. Okoyibo, I'm telling you the reality. You must marry this prince or get ready to bury me.
A mistake has been made. Look for correction. No need for war. Don't look for one to be blamed. Just be faithful. On your dinner, when only Lanya. Like if I'm out there, Kubawa. Nenoa, Inuga.
Where do you know that you are going? Huh? What is it, Seth? What are you saying? Just listen to me. I know it's very difficult, but even if you don't love this man, you know you can pretend to. Just to get what you are looking from him first. Listen, Jacobi, you know how much you love your mother. If anything should happen to Mama, I bet you will never forgive yourself. And you don't want that. I am your cousin's sister. I love you. I can never deceive you. Listen, I know, but I do not love this man. Pretend. Just accept his proposal first. Maybe you can come up with the idea of courtship to enable you understand, the both of you to understand each other before getting married. Okay? That way you can buy more time. Chikubi, listen to me. This is an opportunity every girl in this village is looking for. And you're having it in a platter of gold. You want to throw it away just like that? Are you serious? I understand, but it's not that simple. It's not that simple. Because of your mother. If anything should happen to Mama now, she's all you've got. You'll become an orphan. So you want that? At least for your mother's sake. You just have to think about it. It's not that simple. Honestly, there's really nothing to think about from this way. Think about what you and Mama stand to gain from this. Think about it.
Yeah, I'm hearing the sound of guns here, so we need to calm down. Oh, yes. Yes. He's alright. So I'll be waiting for you. Open the gate!
I have come to take my son.
Igwe. And no jokes.
Jidofo, don't you think you are trying to start a war that you will not be able to finish?
Just go in and bring my grandchild. That is the only business I have with you.
Now you listen, oh no, or whatever you call yourself. If you don't get out of this compound right now, I'll so beat you. I'll so beat you to the point that you'll go 6 feet below. Trust me on that one.
Hey, just shut up. Just shut up. I heard you slapped my father and you have the gut to talk, right? Anyway, I'll come to that. Hey, you all listen. Huh? Enough of this. I want you to go in there and get my son for me. Or I will have no option than to go in there and take him by myself, by force.
Roland, please, Jidofo, Biko, please calm down.
You think I'm joking, right?
Biko, we can settle this amicably. Biko, wait, Biko.
Wait, you think I'm joking, right? You think I'm joking?
Just stay out of this so that you will not be affected. Do not say I did not warn you. Let the Igwe do the needful.
Jidofo, a title man like you is behaving like this.
Oh, you called me a titled man, and at the same time, you called me Jidofo. I am no longer Onowu. Take care, Onowu. I'm not interested again. Let the Igwe go in there and bring my grandchild. That's all I want.
On the count of 3, I want my son now. 1, 2.
Open the gate!
You guys want to bring the police here, right?
Your Highness, we got a distress call from you.
Okay. Officers, you're welcome.
Your Highness.
Now, take away these things. Lock them up. I will communicate with your commissioner.
You called the police for me. Huh? Oh, this is funny.
Don't go on the ground. You ask for
Your Highness, you got
fast! Stop over here now.
They don't know.
Gentlemen, you are under arrest.
And you take my hand and chill it.
Move it.
You call commissioner for me. You're wasting time.
Move it.
Okay, stop that nonsense.
Move!
Roland, let us go to that commissioner.
Move it before the count of 3.
Yes.
Okay.
Move, my friend.
We'll see.
Move! Move! Power is power.
Mom.
Power.
Pamper me.
Gini, say pamper you. Fella man, you just a wife. We just bought cocaine. Get him okay. Pamper you.
Move it!
Move it.
Move it! I said move it!
Hey, come on.
The mistake has been made. Look for correction. No need for war. Don't look for one to be blamed. Just be faithful. On your dindu, when only lanya. Makifa madia, kukwa hua. Nenua, inuga. The mistake has been made. Look for correction. No need for war. Don't look for one to be blamed. Just be faithful. On your dindu, when only lanya. Makifa The mistake has been made.
Officer, I just want to say thank you so much for everything. I thank you for your effort. You've really tried. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Mr. Roland. You don't have to thank me. We're only doing our jobs.
Yeah,
you see, police is always your friend. And then you have to really count on us.
I know. Okay, officer, give me a minute. I'm coming, okay? Yeah.
Police work is very, very good.
Oh no. You know, sometimes our job requires selfless service.
Oh yes. Man.
It's not what the government can do for you, but what you can do for the government.
Police.
Officer, please, you just have to. Okay. Let's manage this. It's for your fuel.
That devil, you see. All this was for me.
Yeah.
This one is originally a good
Oh no.
Police is your friend.
Let me run along, please.
It's okay.
Thank you very much, sir. I really
okay.
appreciate it.
It's okay.
Oh no. Let me run along.
Oh, you see. Oh no, let me. Officer, you see,
Police.
The mistake has been made. Look for correction. No need for war. Don't look for one to be blamed. Just be faithful. On your dindu, when only lanya. Makifa madia, bukwa, nenua, inuga. Ababi, butu abigia, butu kenaya. I completely understand how you feel, but I can't let you have my son. Because when you get Umaka, the mistake has been made. Look for correction. No need for war. Don't look for one to be blamed. Just be faithful. On your dindu, when only lanya. Makifa madia, kubawa, nenua, inuga.
Chekube. Chekubi memia. Hi. I'll be telling you. I'll be telling you to calm down. Just imagine. You have succeeded in taking me back to square one. Am I not supposed to be enjoying myself by now? Look at what you have brought upon me. Shame and stress. Chekube, God will judge you. God will judge you. After suffering to see you through school. Now that is your turn to make me happy. Oh my God. What's the word here? Just imagine this kind of shame and disgrace you have brought upon me. Now that it's time for me to enjoy the fruits of my labor. Let me just tell you,
Listen. Whoever that comes close to this gate, don't hesitate to get him down. Onowu, his son, and those useless touts he calls his talks. Am I understood? Good. Pampame.
Roland, it's me.
What is it? Okay, calm down and talk to me.
Chekube is missing.
Chekube is missing? How?
The guards threw them out of their house, and since then she has been missing.
My God.
Please, you have to do something, please.
What of the mother?
She's back to their former house now. Please, Roland, you have to do something. You have to help my friend.
Okay, calm down. Let me dress up. Just come.
Okay.
Mama, easy, okay? Please. It's okay, just take it easy. Come. Enter the car, let's go. Come on in. Mama?
Mama.
Please enter the car.
No, I don't want to enter car.
Please, you have to.
Chama, let us search
Mama,
more.
Let
us search more.
I know.
Chama,
We'll be searching while in the car.
Mama, come in.
Chima.
Let's go. She enter the car, let's go. Chama.
It's been made. Look for correction. No need for war. Don't look for one to be blamed. Just be faithful. On your dindu, well, only lanya. Makifa madia, kubagua. Nenoa, inuga. Abobi, butugeneya. I completely understand how you feel. But I can't let you have my son. Because when you get Umaka,
Madam, we would like to hear what happened. How did it happen? Tell us.
Yes.
We were sent out of the house that the prince bought for us. So on our way coming back to this place, I
was talking to my daughter because she was following me right behind. All of a sudden, my daughter disappeared. I searched and searched and searched, but to no avail. Just like that. Officer.
Yes.
This story is becoming interesting.
I can see that.
Madam, don't worry. We'll get back to you.
All right.
My king.
Yes, my queen.
Ichie, Ikogo and Ichie Okeke were here yesterday looking for you.
Did they tell you the reason for their coming?
Yes, they brought the news of Chekube being kidnapped.
What? When?
They said it was yesterday.
Ikena,
Yeah.
why did you kidnap her?
Kidnap who?
Don't give me that look. You know exactly what I'm talking about.
Dad, I don't know what you're talking about.
Chekube, if you didn't kidnap her, then who did?
What's going on here? I sincerely don't know what you guys are talking about. Like, I have no idea whatsoever. I mean, what's going on? Dad?
What if I find out that you did?
Whatever. Then deal with it.
Did you hear him?
Apologies, my king.
That boy. That boy.
My prince, we had an information that your supposed wife is missing.
I heard it also.
The information reaching us shows that she got missing immediately after she was ejected out of the house with her mother.
Yeah, maybe that's what happened.
What can you say about that?
It's a pity anyways.
You see, my prince, we are not here to accuse you of the report of your missing wife. We are here to work with you as a team and as a friend in order for us to bring justice into the community.
In other words,
we will invite you to the station for further questioning if the need arises.
Well, whatever informations you need, you might as well get it right now.
Are you in other words saying no to the invitation, my prince?
I haven't said so. Pamper me, detectives. Pamper me. Pamper me.
Chakube, can you hear me? Chakube!
not talking about. If we're so full, which is so water. If I let them from what we no give us. Wonderful as you.
Joma! Ifeanyi! Make una come see.
Have you seen her?
Chakube!
Hey!
Chakube!
Chineke!
Joma! Is this not her bag?
Whose bag? What is this?
I just saw it here.
They have killed my sister.
Hey.
They have killed Chakube. Chakube!
Stop saying this.
She must be around. Chakube!
Shoma, stop this thing now, eh?
Chakube!
Shoma, stop!
Chakube!
See, this place is not safe. We need to leave this place now.
Chakube!
Don't go there.
I have to go and look for her.
It's not safe here. Let's leave this place.
She must be around.
She is not here. Eh?
Chakube!
See,
No.
this place is not safe.
Chakube!
Oh!
Chakube, where are you?
Shoma, this place is not safe.
No.
It's not safe. Let's go.
They have killed my sister.
Don't. Come. It's okay. Just believe nothing has happened to her, okay?
I have everything that I need. I get everything that I want. But I'm only fair for the love. Pump on me, mama, pump on me. Pump on me, pump on me, pump on me. Pump on me, mama, pump on me.
Son,
Mom.
how did it go?
Ndiala. I told them the truth. I don't know her whereabouts. Yes.
So, case closed?
Of course now. Don't you trust me? Don't deal, Mama. Don't deal.
Come, I need to pamper you.
Just for the very first time,
Come to Mama.
my mom just asked me, come to Mama, I need to pamper. Mama, you need to pamper
I
me
know
more.
you don't do shit.
You need to pamper me more as a
I
matter
need
of
to
fact.
pamper you. Come, let's go inside.
Even if I'm mature, Mommy pamper me. Pamper me more.
Pamper me.
That's
I have everything that I need. I get everything that I want. But I'm only fair for the love. Pamper me, mama, pamper me. Pamper me, pamper me, pamper me. Pamper me, mama, pamper me. Our prince is in love. I can't believe this. He's in love. Our prince, he's in love. Yeah. A kingdom peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. JJ kingdom peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. But our prince need pampering. This our prince need pampering. Whoa, whoa. I can change you, get you, yeah, yeah. I want this world.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, boss.
Do you understand what I'm saying? Are you ready to sign the birth certificate?
Never.
She's still proving stubborn. Did I just say it's a never? Bitch. So you're proving stubborn? You are proving stubborn to me, huh? No, it's okay. It's about to get ugly right now. I swear to God. It's about to get freaking ugly. Now are you ready to sign it? Are you ready to sign it? I'm asking you for the last time before I send it to wherever you belong.
Take that thing away.
Yeah, see, now listen to me. I'll do everything possible to make sure she signs the birth certificate. Do you understand what I'm saying?
But my prince, don't you think there's no need for signing of all these documents when we can just silence her? And that way, she wouldn't tell the father of her son. She can't tell who the father is. And that means case closed.
I think you have a point.
Boss, I'm always on point.
Not only when I say so. Go do your job.
The mistake has been made. Look for correction. No need for war. Don't look for one to be blamed. Just be faithful. On your dindu, waloli lanya.
There's something I want us to talk about. I will set you free after making good love to you. So, let's do it very fast before they come back. Don't you want to be set free? I mean, don't you want to go? Prince will eventually kill you even after signing the certificate. You should know that now. Oh, my prince, you are back.
I'm sorry I changed my mind. I just want you to know it ain't my fault. There's no point signing the birth certificates. You are the only one. You are the only one that knows who the real father of your child is. And the situation whereby you're no more, the case is certainly closed. You are such a wicked soul, a despicable human being. That's what you are. After all I did for you, and all you could do was to stab me at my back. Simply because of what? Because I don't know how to love like you claimed. Simply because I don't know how to treat women right. And you forgot so soon. All the things that I did for you from the very onset. The clothes, car, the house, shop for you every now and then. And all you could do is stab the one that loved you. You disgust me. You really, really disgust me. But you know what? I'd rather lose you than lose that boy. Yes.
It's the police. Open the door.
Police, it's too late to cry when the head is over. I'm going to kill her.
Open the door. Remember, police is your friend. The law will catch up with you should you do anything to her.
It don't matter. At this point, she's gone.
Listen, we are here to settle this matter amicably.
It don't matter. She's going down. She's going down.
What? Talk to me. What is it?
Drop your weapon. We are not here to handle it.
I'll drop my weapon on one condition.
Listen, the police is your friend. Whatever you say right now is going to be granted to you.
Now, good. I'll drop my weapon under one condition. If she tells everyone here that I'm the father of a child.
Never!
Shut up! Your request is granted. Say whatever he asks you to say.
I'd rather die than to open my mouth and say that he's the father of my child. Chukube, please now. Chukube, just say it.
Then I have no option than to kill you and spend the rest of my life in jail. That's it.
My prince!
Pampami.
Help me, please! Help me!
Pampami.
I want you. Now look where your stubbornness has landed us.
The truth is that you see this matter you're trying to downplay as a small case. My sister is actually too big. Bigger than you can imagine. This very case is capable of burning the whole Munanko village down. It can take a life. Let it just end between the both of us. To not let another ear hear it. Or bear between me and you. Please. You owe Mr. Roland no apology or explanation whatsoever. After all, because he wasn't fair to you. If he had not raped you, you will not be pregnant. So, for you to think about it very well. Maka, your life and our own lives too.
Your stubbornness has led us to.
in compliance with the directives of the Inspector General of Police, to conduct the DNA test, which we have done in the presence of our Queen Mother here, Aniche Okeke, who I think is unavoidably absent from this gathering. I am presenting this result to you, Your Majesty. According to that result, it has been proven beyond all reasonable doubt that our brother here is the father of the child in contention.
Well, my people, there is a saying that a fly that refuses to listen to advice accompanies the corpse into the grave. In all this, I am not disappointed. I am not disappointed because the ways of the gods are not the ways of men. However, after rain always comes the sunshine. My son, my son, you remain my son so long as I live. The plans I had for you shall be executed to the latter. Paulina.
Your Majesty.
Chekumbe. You will go back to that house because no one will chase you away again. We will also return the car back to you, and you will live as you used to. May the gods be praised. Jidofo. Iwe. Come. Come on. Oh no! I'd like to eat them back. Oh, you starting, man?
I have everything that I need. I get everything that I want. But I'm only fair for the love. Pump on me, mama, pump on me. Pump on me, pump on me, pump on me. Pump on me, mama, pump on me. Our prince is in love. I can't believe this. He's in love. Our prince, he's in love. Yeah. A kingdom peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. JJ kingdom peaceful and nice, lovely kingdom. But our prince need pampering. This our prince need pampering. Whoa, whoa. I can change you, get you, yeah, yeah. I can't walk a super. Whoa, whoa. I can't get you, yeah, yeah. My baby,